Dear students, I am Praphulla from Department of Biotechnology. I am offering a Project Management Institution elective course. This is a general course, can be taken by any of the students of any discipline, and here the main objective of the course is to provide structured approach for project management. So at the beginning of the course we deal with the concepts of project management and then characteristics of the project, and then roles and responsibilities of the project manager and its life cycle and phases. It's really important to check the feasibility of the project. So we have different criteria to check the feasibility of the project. So we study these feasibility characteristics, all these things in the first unit. Project management consists of project planning, organizing, scheduling, and execution and control. So project management planning is a primary step of project management. Here we have to first define the project scope in a measurable units. We have to identify the components of the project, and then we have to organize the components of the project in work breakdown structure. Scheduling is the next very important step in the project management. So we need to learn the different techniques of project scheduling, and then here these techniques are taught with the help of numericals, and then PERT and CPM also are taught in this unit. In the third unit, we take up two important parameters, that is cost and time. So in the execution and control step, cost and time is a very two important parameters. We have to minimize the cost of the project and then as well as maintain the time. There are different techniques available to minimize the cost of the project, and then fast tracking and other techniques are available to reduce the time as well. Okay. Next is communication. Communication is a very important. It's very important in any of the field, and it's very important in project management as well. So different modes of communication and importance of communication are taught in a classic examples. Contracts. Any proprietor cannot be completely take up the project. He needs to give some part of the work of the project to the contractors. And before that, we should know about the contract, type of the contract, how the tendering procedure is done. All these things study in the contract and human resource management. At the end of the project, we cannot close the project abruptly. So there are certain termination and closeout responsibilities available. Those things will be taught in the fifth unit. And then we have to study about the audit and audit reports. We have to measure the project by performance indicators, and then we have to get the proper feedback about the project. We need to close the contract as well. Here in this is about the content of the project management course. Now I use all different kinds of delivery techniques like audio visuals, presentations, chalk and board for the numericals, as well as certain ICs. So as I said, it is a very important course. Project management is a very important course. We apply these principles in day-to-day life, but we don't know the terminologies. It can be applied for a small project to a big project, as well as even research projects with certain modifications. And it's very easy to learn the project management with certain examples. So you can take up your final year project as an example for that, as well as you can take up dummy project as an example, and then apply the project management